everyone goes like that.
So, what we are making today are new templates for a drawing thing. This is the one we use. It's all complicated. What we're going to make is something that looks more like... No, not that one. This one. So we're going to have our school name, mascot right there, and all this different information. So I'm going to take you step by step through that whole process. First thing you want to do, let's go ahead and delete these so I don't have too many open. Going to go over here to the plus sign and hit create drawing. We're going to choose the custom template and we're going to do size B. So custom template, size B, 4x4, do not include the title block. So here we go. Hopefully it'll load. I know when we tried to do this in class the other day, we couldn't get people to load. It's loading for us. Okay, so first thing, you can close this. This pops up because we're not doing anything. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to create a table. We're going to make it a 3 by 3 table. And we're going to put it, make sure this is our down base corner. And we can click it here, but we're probably going to have to adjust it after we're done. Check that. And close that box for now. I just want to move this table up so that dot's right there in the corner. And I'm going to drag it over so it's most of the, let's just take it to 4. And then we'll bring it up a little ways, not that far. About there. Now in each one of these boxes, we're going to create our individual blocks. And so the first one, go back to see what this is going to look like. We got the project name, drawing by, drawing date. So part of this we have to type in, part of it we're going to get. So just click in there. And you click the right, you'll be able to type. Here we go. So this is project and then this is going to be drawn by, and here we can go into this look-in folder and find drawing by, and it's automatically going to put my name in there because I'm the drawer. This one, it should put your name in there. Date drawn. In here, there's date drawn. Okay, so those are the first 3 columns. The next one is title checked by date. Check date. So I'm going to call this title. We're going to go in the folder for the drawing name. And it should be the same thing that's down here. So if you wanted to change this drawing name, you go down here and change this. Say rename. And call it whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it Wildcat just because. And there's my Wildcat. So it's down here, change there. Okay, and then we're going to go in here and go checked. By. We're going to leave that blank because we're going to have someone else checking it. And then date checked. Okay, our last 3 columns. Go back to it. We're going to do size, sheet number, and sheet size. So over here, scale. Go find the scale, sheet scale, sheet number. This is in case you have multiple drawings of the same part. You can have, we're going to go sheet number right there. And then sheet size. Find that under sheet size. You can go in here too if you wanted to. Go there and then total sheets. So this would be sheet number and then total sheets. And now we've got, it'll update as we get more sheets. Okay, that gives us the basic thing. I'm going to go in here and add, I think we'll just put a 1 by 1 row. Looking down here. Bring it all the way over. Get a little bit of height. I went too far. Not sure why it's there. We go. So what do we have there? It says Harrisville Schools Project Lead the Way, Intro to Engineering Design 2020. So just type in there. Harrisonville. High School LTW Intro I want to make sure that's centered, so we'll go centered. I don't want it all. Oh, I forgot the high school. Let's just make that not. So if I highlight this part, I can make that bold. Okay, that's that. Now the tricky part is going to get the Wildcat, and I am going to make that available. It's on my desktop right here, but I am going to make it available so you click on it and you can make it as big as you want. And for some reason I keep losing it. Where'd it go? Let's try it again. There it is. All right, that's where the Wildcat is. I'm going to have it put in. I believe I've actually already done this.
Hey, by the way.
I'm in the middle. Oops, wrong folder. So if you go intro to engineering class, it's right there. So you can download it and then go back in here and import it and find it on your desktop or on your download. It should be right somewhere. Wherever. There it is. So you click there, hit open, and it's going to come back right there, and then you can drag it in there. Okay, that's pretty much it, except for we want to save this thing. So in order to do that, we're going to go down here, export it, and we want it as a DWT. I'll call it the IED drawing template. Export as text. Download there. And let's see if it doesn't show up back here. So you go to create a drawing. And if it doesn't show up, created by me. So that's the one I created. What you can do is then go into Onshape and go up to import files, and new downloads, you should have ID, there it is. Import. Now when I go to a drawing, any drawing, and I go to plus sign, create a drawing, I go created by me, and it should show up there. There it is. So this is what you're going to use from now on to put all your drawings into. There you go. There's your setup. Messed up my Wildcat a little bit, but I can grab that, stick it there. What I like about this one over the one they gave you is you have a whole flat area. You don't have to go around that title block. Click. And voila, there's your drawings. Alright, that's what I wanted to show you on how to create a template.